Hi everyone, my name is David Hwang, Senior and Founding Pastor of an international, interdenominational, English-speaking church here in Seoul called Jubilee Church. I am so very glad to know that you're considering vocational ministry, especially in a time like today, and I'm all the more glad that you're considering TTGU as an option for your theological studies. I started at Torch back in 2001. I've been in the city now 23 years, and without a doubt, Torch has played an immeasurable role in helping me grow as a follower of Jesus, of course, but as a pastor and in my commitment to be a church planter in this city. I know that Torch was birthed from a vision of what God was doing from Seoul to all nations, and I know that that legacy is in our DNA still. My professors then, and I'm sure the professors there now, have seen this vision and wanted to join in what God was doing, again, from Seoul to all nations. And you can be sure that if you join where God is moving, there will be great fruit. So, if you want to be well-trained as vocational ministers, but also well-trained in a place where God is moving, then please don't look further than TTGU. Do give it serious consideration. It'll be worth your time. Thank you, and God bless you.